In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly Transfer Blocked for security. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right there into your Remitly. And you can see right here, I have in here this article with the user that has the same problem as us. Remitly has blocked their transfer right here. So just like many others reported, you can see right here that they have in here this particular issue. So what you can do in this case is you can just head over and then if Remitly asks for any verification on your end about this security feature that they actually block onto your transfer, you just need to make sure to provide them the correct documentation. In this case, they have inputted right here the name. They show right here that it's actually a name error. So as you can see, it shows completed, but the money never arrived the account, and the funds as if it simply vanished. So they need to fix this. This is actually a missing funds. So this is actually a block error. So what you can do is you can just head over and reach out to Remitly in order to actually go over and fix this problem. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.